So yeah, let's first give it the screen time that it deserves. I'm talking about this K9 Stilo Grip stainless steel ballpoint pen. Over the years, I have been using a lot of steel ballpoint pens, and I love all of them. The number one pen that will come to my hand is the Parker Jotter. This is the Parker Jotter London stainless steel chrome trim version, and I absolutely love this. It's been about a year, I guess, since I've been using this pen, and I have given it a refill change, I guess, for once, because I write a lot. But yeah, one of the clickiest of the clicky pens. But I have found a competitor, and this is one of those pens which has a lot of intentional, design elements to it. If I show you, if it's possible, is that first of all, the name of the pen is engraved on the section of it. The top section has the name of the pen engraved in it, and I just like the fact that it is, because it adds a character to the pen, and a very, you know a light pen, if I have to say, because I just don't know how, but feels very ergonomic in the hand, and like, uh, it has a great weight balance. The weight is a bit more distributed towards the front side of it, towards the tip side of it, because it's an intentional design, in the sense that you do not have to put much pressure while writing on it. Has a very smooth click to it. It's quite smooth, gives a bit of resistance, but not that high compared to that of a Jotter. The Jotter is definitely a higher resistance pen. Yeah, this clicked earlier before applying the same pressure to a Jotter. Both have a plunger mechanism which keeps the clicker up, so that's good. Let's hear this. A much more silent click than the Jotter. So now the main job of a pen is to write. So let's write something. This is the Steel O Grip by K9, an Indian brand. So yeah, I really like the fact that I'm getting a stainless steel ballpoint pen from a different company other than the Parker Giotto, which I like. As I already showed you that, uh, you know, it's a pen and it's a slim pen compared to that of a Giotto. If you look at it side by side, so just has a better hold to it compared to that of the Jotter. You cannot hold Jotter from its very tip because it narrows down a lot, so you have to hold the Jotter with leaving good amount of space so as to hold it firmly. This is exactly about this is exactly where I hold the Jotter, whereas in this pen I can hold it as near to the tip as possible if I want to write really fine, and I can hold it on top as well if I am writing a bit more casually and I have a lot more space. The body barrel is made up of stainless steel but has horizontal grooves in it which are so fine that you will not be able to maybe appreciate it in the video, with obviously engravings on the barrel of the body so as to even improve the grip of the pen, and I can vouch for it. This pen has a great grip, no doubt regarding that. And it can be a great gifting option as well if you plan on gifting it to somebody. If we open up the pen, this does have weight to it, so yeah, this is metallic. The refill is a Jota style refill with Numetry fluid, K9 proprietary ink, I guess. They have some fluid ink inside them. jumbo metal fluid refill inside this metal canister like cartridge. I'm sorry. The doctor in me comes out and I speak things like cartilage instead of cartridge. Nonetheless, yeah, it's a great pen, great clicker. If I talk about the design elements of it, because I guess people who have stuck so much into the video will be keen on knowing what exactly are the design elements. First of all, the company doesn't reveal whether each part of it is stainless steel or not, but nonetheless, it does not matter, because even in the Parker Jotter, most of it is stainless steel, but this chrome trim is a bit magnetic. It does get attracted to magnets, so I'm not sure whether it's some high grade stainless steel or not, but I've been using this for quite some time and this hasn't had any sort of problems, so I suspect the same with K9 as well. But yeah, I do not like the fact that this is a tension type clip that they have given, because if you use this a bit more often than usual, then this will lose the tension that it's holding inside it and it will become a bit loose. So that's one thing which I do not like about these clips. Apart from that, as I said, this has a lot of horizontal grooves in it, and which are so fine that you will not be able to see, but that has a certain feel to it. So it will develop a good patina once it ages a bit, and it will hide the micro scratches which would be otherwise visible in polished finished pens. The Jotter, in the sense, is a pen which does not really have those grooves in it, but has a brushed polish finish. This is not exactly brushed polish, because this has tactile grooves to it. The Jotter does not have tactile grooves, nonetheless. So yeah, and it's a bottom heavy pen if I consider the writing end to be the bottom. So you do not have to apply a lot of pressure. The pen itself will go down, and let's test it. Even when I'm keeping it in the dead center, the top part is coming down, and whereas yeah, so at about that point is where the equilibrium is maintained. Nonetheless, a good pen. Uh, Definitely a must buy if you are a pen enthusiast and love ball pens and love stainless steel pens. So yeah.